Muslim, we also ask the same question. Should we be pursuing happiness in the life of this world? Furthermore, does this world offer happiness as we understand it defined in Western literature today? Well, when you look into the book of Allah, here's where it gets interesting. First of all, how does Allah Jalla Jalaluhu speak about the life of this world? He said, Ya ayyuhal insanu innaka kadihun ila rabbika kadhan famulaqih. Oh man, you are restlessly toiling towards your Lord and you will meet him. According to the book of Allah, this world is a home of restlessness, labor and toil. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي كَبَدٍ. We have created man in toil. So that is how Allah speaks about this world. Toil, labor, restlessness, hardship. And on top of that, you don't find the word sa'ada, happiness, mentioned at all in the Quran. Interesting. Only in one context, and that is the context of Jannah. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, لا تكلم نفس إلا بإذنه. On the day of judgment, people will come and no one will speak only with the permission of Allah. فَمِنْهُمْ شَقِيٌّ وَسَعِيدٌ. Some will be miserable and some will be happy. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ شَقُوا فَفِي النَّارِ لَهُمْ فِيهَا زَفِيرٌ وَشَهِيقٌ. As for those who are miserable, they will be thrown into hell and they will be sighing and gasping in pain. And then Allah says later on, وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ. And as for those who are destined to be happy, they will be in Jannah. So the only time happiness is mentioned in the Quran is in which context? Jannah. And that in of itself is a powerful and profound message to humanity, that the happiness of perfection that people are pursuing is not offered by this world. It is only an offering that can be found in Jannah. So